Welcome back. And last time I already explained that we can have several of the events for the same view, and we have corresponding event listener to do something for those events. And we can see that also those events also have has the order of happening. Okay, order being called, and some of the events may happen before the other. The one has a chance to happen before the others may have the option to stop raising the event to the next listener or continue to raise by returning the true or false values. So right now we're going to demonstrate about this one. So we're gonna create a new project. This one is about events consuming. Okay, event consuming demo. So next one we'll choose the minimum SDK. Next one we'll choose a blank activity. Next one keep everything as default because we focus on event handling right now. Okay, event consuming, not handling. My previous example already showed you about doing the event handling already. Okay, this time it's about consuming the event. So this one we're going to design this for Nexus 5. I'm gonna zoom this one up a little bit. We're gonna have a button. Okay, place it in the center of the screen. Double click on this one and say press me. Okay, this one is gonna say button press me, enter. Then we're gonna create another large text components. Okay, and place it in the center, and above the press me here, double click on, we're gonna give it an ID which is text view message. Okay, text view message. Okay, text view message. I'll just change the text to message. Okay, message. Then we're going to create the action listener for a long click and action listener for the click. Okay, there are two ways of creating the action listener, and I already demonstrated to you. Please watch my video about event handling if you still don't understand about this. So we're gonna click on this one. I'm gonna create a button which is public public void on button press me click. This one we need to pass in the view v. Then this one we're going to import by pressing Ctrl space, press enter. Then for this one we're going to do something which is access to the text view. Text view message equal to get text view from find view by ID. If you don't understand this line, please watch my previous video. Okay, find by ID by r.id. Okay, text view message. Okay, then when you have this text view message already, you set okay on click. So this one is on click. So this one you're going to take the text view set message is set text is just a click. Okay, this is just a click, and we're gonna wire it. Get back to this one. Wire it to on-click events of the button press me by clicking on component tree. See on click. We're on click this one. We're gonna click on this one. Click on this one. Choose on button press me. Click. Okay. That one is we completed this on click here. Okay, then similarly we're going to do the on long click, and the on long click happens before the on click, which is we press on this one, so it's happened before, and the click will happen when we release the mouse. Okay, so this one has the option to stop the propagation of the events to continue to click, or it's allow you to the continue to the click by returning true or false. So that kind of method we have to declare this way: public, okay, public boolean. Okay, once more, it has the option because it happened before. It happens before the click. Okay, so it has the option to return true or false. Okay, so to continue or stop the events, or to consume the event absolutely, or let it continue. So this one is when I say on button, press me long click, okay, of the view V. Then we're going to do the same code here, copy paste it, okay, copy and paste it. Then this time, let's say I don't allow it to continue. Okay, I don't allow it to continue. So I'm going to click on true. I'm going to click on true. Return true. Sorry, return true. So it consume. This one will consume absolutely the event. Okay, absolutely the event. And this one will say long click. And we're going to now. And we're going to. No, let me just talk about this. Why don't the button click has the option to return boolean? Because this one is the last one of the receiving of the events already. So let's say if you click on this one, and when you release it, is on click is the last one you receive and handle that event. Okay, that's why you don't have the option to return. But other one will be before the on click. Let's say on touch. Okay, will be called return on this one. And we're gonna wire this one on the button. So click on this one, and we're gonna search for on long click. Okay, not on long click, on long click. This button. Okay, no, it's not on this one. So we're gonna demonstrate about this one. We don't see yeah, but if you don't see it, it's better for me as well. I'm going to demonstrate this same code but using the manual event listener assignment. So at the on create here, we're going to access to the button via its ID. So you have button, control space, select this one, BT press me equal to button from find view by ID r.id button press me, and I'm going to create the button press me. I'm going to create the set on long click listener, new object of on long click listener. And this one we're going to repaste the code that we created before. Okay, so I create the listener for on click. I created the listener for on click, and it's gonna perform the do something which is on long click. This one on long click to do something here, and we registered it to the button already. Registered it to the button already. Okay. Then we're going to run this application and test. Okay, we're gonna run this application and test. Use this one. I already executed my simulator. Okay. Then if you just quickly click on this one, it's a click. Quickly click on this one, it's a click. Okay. And it's going to do only when you release the mouse. Now I'm gonna click on this one and press it, keeps it. Okay. Now when I release, it doesn't continue to the click anymore. It's just long click. Okay. Because when I do the long click, it's called to the on long click method and display long click. And when I release, it is about to come to the click. It is about to come to the click. But because of the long click already consume, okay, already consume the event by returning true. So it stopped the events here. It's not continued to this. So if we return it to false right now, okay, if you return it to false right now and run it, okay, and run it. Okay. Okay. So if you click it quickly, still it's gonna be click when you release it. But now if you click on this one and press it, keep pressing, it's gonna show you it's called to the event, which is long click. Okay. But when you release the mouse, I want to release the mouse. This long click is not consuming. It doesn't consume the whole event by returning false. So it's gonna let the event continue to come to the click. So let us see. Observe if I release the mouse, it's continue to come to click. Okay. So if I press and keep it, it's gonna call to long click. If I release the mouse, it's gonna continue to call to the click. See, so that one is about event propagation and events consuming, and about events consuming or consuming the events. Okay, event consuming the event by returning true or false there. Okay, I think that's it for today.